When people talk about leadership training, they often mix up two things: what gets covered and how it's delivered. Both matter. In my experience, you can have the right topics and the wrong structure, and nothing changes. Or a solid structure with weak topics and nothing changes. Good leadership training gets both right. So here's a simple way to judge it. First, the topics it should cover. Then, the structure it should follow. Let's start with the topics. Here are 5 topics good leadership training should include, or you should at least look for. Number 1, direction and alignment. Leaders must set clear direction, not slogans, not posters, clear priorities and outcomes. Training should show leaders how to turn strategy into practical clarity so teams know what matters, what success looks like, and what to ignore. Number 2, decision making under pressure. Leadership is judgment, calls with incomplete data, trade-offs, risk. Good training gives leaders simple decision filters and shows when to decide, when to involve others, and when to stand firm. Number 3, difficult conversations and accountability. Leaders must address behavior, not sidestep it. Training should cover how to challenge respectfully, hold standards, and deal with underperformance early. Not aggressively, not vaguely, clearly and calmly. Number 4, ownership and empowerment. Many leaders create dependency without meaning to. They jump in, fix, rescue, and override. Good leadership training shows how to push ownership down, build decision confidence in others, and avoid becoming the bottleneck. Number 5, self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Leaders need to understand how they land, their tone, their reactions, their blind spots. This is where emotional intelligence comes in. Reading the room, managing their own emotions, responding instead of reacting. Good programs include feedback and reflection, so awareness turns into adjustment. That's the topic side. Now let's look at the structure, because this is where most leadership training quietly fails. Here are 5 structural elements good leadership training should include, or you should look for. Number 1, it runs over time, not as a one-off. One-day leadership events create insights, not change. Strong programs are spaced over weeks or months. Learn, apply, reflect, adjust. Time between sessions is where leaders test the behavior for real. Number 2, it includes real-world application. Leaders should leave each session with something to try immediately. A conversation, a delegation shift, a decision approach. Then they report back on what happened. Application closes the knowing-doing gap. Number 3, it builds in coaching and feedback loops. There should be structured coaching built in, peer coaching, facilitator coaching, or manager check-ins. Someone consistently asking, what did you try and what did you learn? That question drives growth. Number 4, it uses live practice, not just discussion. Good leadership training practices leadership moments, challenge conversations, direction setting, pushback, conflict. Discussion is safe. Practice is sticky. Leaders need reps, not just reflection. Number 5, it measures behavior change. Success should be defined up front. Better ownership, faster decisions, stronger engagement, fewer escalations. If the program only measures attendance and satisfaction, expectations are too low. So when someone asks what good leadership training looks like, the answer is simple. Strong topics, direction, decisions, accountability, ownership, self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and strong structure. Spaced learning, real application, coaching, practice, and measurement. So if you want leadership training that changes behavior, not just awareness, get in touch with us at MTD Training. We'll walk you through what works, what doesn't, and what will fit your organization best.